Your image is a promise which you make with your personality and presence to influence others. Well, this is not my Guru Mantra but the words of Parveen Gandhi from her book Get the Billion Bucks Image. Parveen, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sada, for having me here. It's indeed a pleasure and an honor to be a part of this platform. And I'm so happy to share my story with millions of other women who are watching this.
Parveen, you are into a very empowering body of work and you must have coached thousands of people from all across the world. So tell me, how did it all start?
Thank you very much, Sada, for this question because it took me back 25 years, when I started my career. And trust me, it was not an easy journey. Self-doubt is one thing, which can really deplete your energy. And it happened with me too. I was constantly feeling that if I am into the right profession, what am I going to do of my life? How is it going to shape further? Am I really capable of doing what I'm doing? And so I worked doubly hard, I left no stone unturned to make sure that in whatever I am doing, I am going to be the best. But I'm sure we all go through these things and we finally come out as a winner.
I completely agree with you. It must have been a very enriching experience. So tell me, who inspires you, or rather, were you inspired by someone?
My inspiration is my purpose of life. And my purpose of life is to be joyful and is to spread joy among people whom I am with and who are associated with me and who need my help.
Wonderful. Living with a purpose simplifies it all. And if you're focused, then everything is done automatically. So tell me, what has been the role of your family in shaping your career?
Talking about my family, that has also been my strong inspiration because my mother has been my guiding light. My brother and my two sisters, they have been amazing support for whatever I did in life. And that's really kept me going.
Family definitely is the fulcrum for most of us. It gives it a meaning. And as they say, family is not important, it is everything. Now Parveen, you are a traveler. You write so many books, conduct so many workshops. So how do you manage personal and work life, and how do you balance it all?
There is too much talked about work-life balance. And people are trying to strike a balance between work and life.
Okay.
Because they feel that they are two different things. Work is different, life is different. But actually I feel that you live in this world, you work, you enjoy yourself, you complete your responsibilities, you do a lot of things. But all that you are doing, if there is no passion to do what you're doing, then there's no meaning to it, then there's no fun in it. And what I do exactly is I love what I do and I do what I love. And that keeps me going. So the word is passion for me. If you are passionate about something, you really don't need to think about striking balance and stuff like that.
Well, that is so true. And I also believe in this philosophy. You have to love your work, you have to be passionate, and you need to have a drive for it. And then only you can be productive. Now tell me, women in your profession, do you face hard time while getting promoted or acknowledged?
Well, gender discrimination prevails everywhere, almost in every profession. However, my profession is more women-centric, and the women who are there in this profession are incredibly gorgeous and they are doing extremely well, and each one has got their unique talents and space.
Okay.
It doesn't matter, who you are, but if you have the talent and if you have the determination and if you're putting in that effort, then nobody can stop you from being promoted or recognized in any profession that you are into.
Well, that is an amazing advice, and frankly speaking, right now what I felt was that I'm attending one of your workshops and listening you talk. So when you address such a huge crowd and do these workshops, what is your takeaway from these workshops? Rather, what motivates you?
My motivation is my clients, the people whom I get associated with, the people who come to me for help, and when they go back with a smiling face and when they tell me that how things have changed with them because of whatever discussions and whatever associations we have had, that is really truly gratifying, and that motivates me to do more and more, and that's why that keeps me going, and that's why that brings in a lot of enthusiasm and energy in whatever I do.
Wow, that shine in your eyes show how much you love your work. Now let us hear some of the attendees of your workshop. What do they have to say for you?
Of immense help to the participants at HPCL. It has transformed lives of people. Feedback of all the programs have been excellent, and Parveen has been instrumental in customizing programs according to the profile of all the participants, be it leadership or image building. We at HPCL are very happy with all the programs in last few years and wish Image Gurus the best of luck.
Hi, this is Astha. I'm working for Siemens as a software engineer. So 3 weeks back, I had attended this training, this workshop, Build the Brand Youth, and the facilitator was Ms. Parveen Gandhi. And I think I have been highly benefited through this workshop, and there were many key takeaways from this program, like how to make impression within a short frame of time, how to project myself as a better, confident person. And another thing was, which I really liked about the program, was how can I establish good connection with unknown people in short period of time.
Well, you are doing such a wonderful job of knowing and helping others in building their image and personality, and I'm sure this must be so much beneficial and valuable to them. Now, talking about values, what are your top values?
Oh, that's one of my favorite questions. I really love that. Values are so important. I think values are something that make us. And if we don't have values, or if we have not identified our own values, it's high time we start doing that, because values will actually take you forward. My top 4 values that I would like to talk about today, first is honesty. I think I live by that. The second thing is commitment. I think without commitment, say what you do and do what you say, it's not going to work. People are not going to trust you, if you are not committed. The third thing is discipline.
Okay.
I seriously feel that discipline is one of my very important values. And the last but not the least, in fact it has to come the first, which is empathy. Because if you are not empathizing with people, and if you cannot see yourself in their shoes, then the chances are that you will never be able to realize and understand what they are going through. And that's really important.
I'm sure that advice is very useful for each and every individual watching this show. After all, it's coming from an image guru herself. But tell me, Parveen, at this very moment when the entire world is facing a huge problem with COVID-19 and lockdown, what do you have to say?
At this point of time, I think I want more and more people to read my book, Get the $1 Billion Image, because it is written with the intent to help individuals who are in a similar situation, and if they are able to relate to these situations, and if they are able to kind of get out of their current concerns, their current issues, the current problems by reading this book, I would be more than happy.
Well, I too would request all the viewers to go and grab a copy of your book, Get the $1 Billion Image, because in that you have very simply explained how to stay positive and develop your image. Now, what advice would you give to all the women who are watching this show?
Women are almost there in all sectors now, and that's really incredible. The first thing that I would like to tell the women who are working in a male-dominated profession is that go prepared. The other thing is they have to start taking things seriously. Don't show your vulnerabilities. Don't play the woman card. It doesn't work like that.
Well, I completely agree to these points, and as they say, the path to gaining respect is paved with knowledge and empathy. Thank you so much, Parveen, for coming on our show. It was such an honor. Now, what are your thoughts about our initiative, this Women Influencers Group?
Oh, it's a mind-blowing platform. I think more and more women should join this group. It's a fantastic way to kind of connect with each other, to help each other, to gain value, and to also learn a lot of things. I'm sure the organizers may have planned lots of other things, which can increase our interest and also bring in speakers who can really add more and more value. I'm happy to be a part of this. Thank you very much, Sadaf Rizvi, once again to invite me here and help me share my story. Look forward to be a part of this forum once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Parveen, for coming on our show. It was such an honor for us. And all you beautiful people watching this show, if you like the show, do comment below and let us know. One small request before I go. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Now that is a very simple task, isn't it? So till we meet next time, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.